Welcome to Chapter 9, Lesson 1, Area of Parallelograms. Before we look at the area of parallelograms, we need to look at some important vocabulary words. All the figures that we're going to be working with in this unit are what we call polygons. A polygon is a closed figure formed by 3 or more straight lines. So this is a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a pentagon, a hexagon. All of those are considered a polygon. A circle is not a polygon because it's not made up of straight lines. A parallelogram, which is a type of a polygon, is a quadrilateral. So it's also a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. So a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel and opposite sides the same length. So our most typical parallelogram is this one that's on an angle. Sorry, that's not perfect. But according to that definition, a rectangle is also considered a parallelogram as well as a square because the opposite sides are parallel and the opposite sides are the same length. A rhombus is a type of a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. So most commonly when you hear the word rhombus, you probably think of this slanted square looking thing. Okay, but the definition is just that it has 4 equal sides. So that's considered a rhombus, and a square is also a rhombus. So we're going to fill the lines in the diagram with polygon, parallelogram, or rhombus and draw an example of each, kind of similar to what I just did on the side. But the circles start with a bigger circle, and then a medium circle, and then a smaller circle, so it kind of starts with the broadest term and then gets a little more specific with each one. So the broadest term that we have here is a polygon. And that can be any closed figure made up of straight lines. So it could be anything as long as the lines are straight and it's closed. Sorry, those aren't the most perfect straight lines, but I'm working with my finger here, so bear with me. Then, to get a little more specific, we have a parallelogram. And that could be like our standard parallelogram that you would draw that example. And then to be even more specific, a type of a parallelogram is a rhombus, which now its sides have to be parallel and equal, but all 4 sides have to be equal. So we can do kind of the standard rhombus like that.